Yeah, so one of the questions that I ask every single real estate investor every time they call me out to do an estimate, I ask them this question: what's the ARV? So the ARV stands for after repair value. So what does that mean? We're trying to figure out how much will this property be worth after it's repaired. So you have to run what's called comps or comparables. And what we're looking for is properties that are comparable in the same neighborhood. And we're trying to figure out how much are they listed for. But the best thing for me is how much did they sell for? And so when we talk about a comparable, there's a couple of different things that you have to take a look at. Number one, you want a property of the same size. So if you're trying to purchase a property that's 1,500 square foot, you want to take a look at other properties that are also 1,500 square foot, plus and minus maybe 100 square foot. But you don't want to be comparing a property that's 1,500 square foot to a property that's 2,500 square foot. Just doesn't make no sense. So number one, you want a property that has very, very comparable square footage. You want a property that has very, very comparable build date. So when was that property built? You want a property that's similar in shape. So you don't want to be comparing a Cape to a colonial or to a ranch. You want a property that has a similar size shape, and you want a property that has similar type features. Same amount of bedrooms, same amount of bathrooms, garage or not, preferably same amount of land, but you focus basically on what's inside. Same amount of bedrooms, same amount of bathrooms, whether there's a garage or not, etc., 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 etc. So that's the ARV. The after repair value is how much will this property, how much do you expect to sell this property for after you're done remodeling it.